Hello everyone, so today we are going to start our next problem on the same topic that we are doing, that is dimensional analysis. And I have a new problem, numerical problem for you, which is very easy. So let's start without wasting our time. Just see this thing, what they have given in the question. They are saying to find out the dimension of k, which is any constant, where they have given t is a time period which is equal to 2 pi under root k l square g divided by m into g, where t is a time period, k is any constant, l is length, g is acceleration due to gravity, m is mass, and this g, capital G, is the universal gravitational constant. Now we need to find the dimensions of this k, which is constant or any unknown quantity which we have. So just let's start. What I have done to find out this thing, I have written t is equal to 2 pi k l square g divided by mg. I have written this under root as a power which is 1 by 2. Now I brought this under root k outside the bracket. The reason being to bring out this term outside, as I know the dimensions for L is L square. We know L is measured in length in meter, so its dimension is L square. So I have written dimension as L square, and g is my acceleration due to gravity. What is g? G is acceleration due to gravity, and the units for the acceleration, what are the units for gravity? Meter per second square. These are my unit for acceleration due to gravity, and unit is meter per second square. Meter is measured in length, that I have written capital L. Second square, t square. Means for L square I have written dimension in the length L square, capital L square. For g I have written the dimension LT minus 2. Now come to the denominator. For mass I have dimensions capital M in the bracket, and for g, gravitational constant, in the last video only I have explained this thing, that how can we find the dimensions for gravitational constant, and in that video also I made you understand that how can we find out, and we found also that are m inverse L cube t minus 2. Let me write it again, the formula for gravitational constant. It was like F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. So the unit for the dimensions for force, mass, again mass, and distance, which I have written in meter square or in length. By this way I found the units for gravitational constant and dimension as well. If you have any doubt that how we found the dimensions for gravitational constant, then you can go through the last video which I have sent you. So now we have, I already found, so I have written directly the dimension for the gravitational constant. So just let's proceed now. You can see this thing, that here I have L square into L, which will become L cube, and in the denominator also I have L cube. So this will get cancelled out. I have cancelled out. Afterwards this is M inverse, this is M, so this will also get cancelled out. Afterwards t minus 2, t minus 2, this can also be cancelled out. Means inside the bracket nothing is left. What I have, only this root k. I can do one thing, I can do square on both sides. Square on both the sides. If I will do square on the both the side, what I will get? T square is equal to k. Means they asked to find the dimensions of k only, value of k only, value dimension. So I got the dimension of k, which is equal to t square. So this is my required answer which they have asked in the given question. Still, if you have any kind of query or problem regarding this numerical, you can ask anytime. Hope you understood the numerical. Thank you. Have a nice day.